Hi, this is Julia Bell, and I want to show you how to get started in the Windows module. And primarily, I want to show you how to unzip and to zip compressed files. I'm going to go to Do, and I'm going to go get those files. Here are the starting files, so let's get those. I'm going to click on it. It says click here to go to the companion site. I shall click there. I want to get the student data files. Note, it says I want to save these files. You do not open a file that has the word zip at the end of it. You're going to always save it and extract it. Notice the icon has a little zipper on it. Again, if it says .zip, you're going to choose save, okay? I'm using Firefox, so it has this great downloader here, so I can go and check on that. You can see I practiced downloading earlier as well. I can click on this, and it will take me to the location, which just happens to be also here under downloads. Notice these are the student files. The first thing that I want to do is I need to move these to a place that's a better place for them. To do that, you can right click and you're going to choose Cut. I'm going to go to Documents. I have already made a folder here called INFS 1010. If you had not, you can click New Folder and give it a name. I'm going to double click here. Now all I have to do is to paste the file. Right click on your mouse and choose Paste. You're going to left click the answer. Paste. Great. We've now downloaded and we have cut and copied, pasted the file here. Notice it still has a zipper on it. So I need to unzip it. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to choose Extract All. It says, where would you like to place this? Putting it in the same location beside the other one is exactly what I have in mind. So I'm going to say extract. It's saying this particular one has a folder that's something being encrypted problem. Just say yes. And I'm aware of this one as well. I'm going to say yes to that one too. And I knew the XML was coming as well, so yes. Great. Now notice you have two folders. One that appears to be standing open, and the second one that has the zipper, and it says it's a compressed or zipped folder. You don't need both. I'm going to get rid of the second one. To do so, you can right click and you're going to choose Delete. And it says, are you sure you want to move it to the recycle bin? Yes, I am. Great. Now I have the files that I'm going to need to perform the Windows exercises. Let me show you some of those. I will double click to open the folder. Yes, I know there's another folder inside of it with the same name, so go ahead and open that. Notice there's a couple of folders and then there's a bunch of files. In Windows, I clicked on the right side of the window to just pull it in and move it over. I have got a very wide screen monitor, so mine may be different than yours. And again, this divider bar, you can click on it and pull while you've got the left mouse down to move that around. You can see the dates the files were created, the time, the type file it is, and the size. These are all very important things in Windows. But these are now the files you're going to need to do those assignments. Let me shut this. And that is how you download, save, and extract a group of files. Let me show you how to zip them back up. I'm going to go to my folders. Remember where we put this? Documents. I made a folder for my class, and there it is. If you have finished all the instructions in part 1B, you can now send me back the one or ones that I want. For instance, if I had asked for, and these are not the right answers, if I had wanted this one and then some other ones that were not beside it, you could hold the control key and click, maybe I wanted Japanese gardens and maybe I wanted job opportunities. How many are picked here? 3. Let me demo again. Click the first one, hold the control key on your keyboard, click the second one, and then click the third one. Now all you have to do is sit in the blue on any one of these that's highlighted, right click, and you're going to choose Send to, then you're going to choose Compressed Zipped Folder. Left click on that to select it, give it 1 second. It gives it a name. You could call this Windows 1B. Again, keep in mind these are not the files you really need to turn in for 1B. I'm just doing this as a sample to show you how to do it. If these were really the ones you needed, it would be zipped and ready to send back to me. In some cases, you won't need to zip a file. And in this case, we do ask that it is zipped for the 2 Windows assignments. When you get to Word and some other things, you won't have to do that. But here you did. This concludes how to zip and to unzip. Thank you very much.